Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're diving deep into OpusClip Prompts, which is a natural language shortcut to smart video clipping. We're going to be doing it step by step, so each video we're going to look at a different aspect of this. So in a world flooded with video content, the key to standing out is speed, relevance and precision. OpusClip Prompts offer an innovative way to repurpose long-form videos into short, high-impact social clips using simple natural language commands. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, educator, or even an editor, OpusClip Clip Anything AI lets you generate viral ready clips just by describing what you're looking for. No scrubbing through timelines, no guesswork, just fast AI powered results. You can see, you can just say find all the laughing scenes, and to find it you can find an action, you can find a moment or a scene, you can find an emotion, and you can even create a compilation. So the next segment which we are looking at today, before we leave and go to the next video the next time, we'll see you then. But the next one we're going to look at are what are OpusClip prompts. Some people may be asking that or wondering. Well, you see, OpusClip prompts are short natural language phrases or sentences that tell the platform what kind of moment you want it to extract from your video. These prompts are used within the Clip Anything feature to identify specific scenes, actions, characters, emotions, events. Instead of manually editing or searching, you type something like, find the moment when the host unboxes a new gadget, and OpusClip's AI finds it for you instantly. So that's it for today. See you in the next part.